Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing the SmartMike Plus Bluetooth right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. So are you a content creator or a vlogger? Well, in this video I am unboxing and reviewing the SabineTek SmartMike Plus Bluetooth microphone along with some audio samples as well. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing first, as this is a very cool Bluetooth microphone which has plenty of digital features. So let's go ahead and start with the microphone itself. Now this little handy microphone might be small in size, but it's packed with features, and you wait until I show you what the app can do and some awesome features that it has. So starting from the top, you can see that you have a 3.5mm jack, phone jack, so you can hear live feedback when recording. And I'll show you that feature here in a little bit when I show you the app. That's the monitoring feature. And then on the bottom side, you have a built-in micro USB charging port. And then on the side, which is on this side, this is your microphone right here. And here is your power button. And this comes with a very handy side clip, and the power button does provide a few functions of its own. The mic also features high fidelity sound. So what's included in the box? Let's go ahead and look at that right now. And these the SmartMike Plus also comes in two colors. You can get it in black and silver or white and silver. So the company has sent me the white and silver, which I think this is a beautiful and very sturdy and lightweight at the same time Bluetooth wireless microphone. So this is a very nice unit. I'm very happy that they sent me this. Thank you so much from SabineTek for sending me the SmartMike Plus. And right inside the box, you can see that, let me take these out. So what's inside the box? The first thing I want to show you guys is that this is the cable for your live monitoring for your feedback. So you basically plug in this cable into the SmartMike Plus on the side, and that's how you can monitor your live feedback to see, to monitor gain and whatnot, and other features that the app comes with. The mic also comes with a 6-hour battery life, which is amazing, and also comes with two different protectors. Here's one right here, and here is the second mic protector. This one is a little bit thicker to protect your goodies. You also get your user manual, and you also get a SmartMike Plus quick start guide. And this is a very nice quick start guide. It's actually in color, believe it or not. And it's also available, it seems like it's available in English, Chinese, Spanish, and a few other languages. So this is a very nice manual. It basically tells you that, I think on the third or fourth page, let me show you guys here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So basically here, the first thing, it tells you that step number 1, you can go ahead and scan this QR code to go ahead and download the free application that's provided with the SmartMike Plus to enhance your digital features and your recording features. Then it basically goes into basic steps, how to put it in vlog mode or recording mode, or you can also put it in interview mode if you like. And by the way, the mic can also be used for up to 15 meters away. How awesome is that? That way you are, not only that it's Bluetooth, but you can also use this microphone when you're walking around, when you're, you can go away from your phone, your tablet, or your recording device. So you definitely have a good amount of freedom. You have some, some flexibility in order to record your audio and not have your audio or your voice go in and out, because you don't have to be constantly next to your smartphone or your tablet while recording. So now let me show you guys what the app can do and how it works. The SmartMike Plus also comes with a very cool free app that you can download for your Android phone or Apple iOS smartphone. So one of the best features that I personally like myself is that this application comes with a built-in teleprompter. Yes, check this out. You can basically change the size, you can expand it, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can change the colors of you can change the settings of the teleprompter. As you can see, I can change the playback speed, the text size, the text color, pretty much everything that you need. I'm going to turn that off, and then you can also, and that's what the built-in on-screen teleprompter looks like. Last I checked, if you want to go ahead and buy a teleprompter, if you're a blogger or a content creator, they cost at least $100. So come on guys, this is definitely a very cool feature within the app. You can also change the what's in the text as for your teleprompter, and that's not the only settings or bonus that also comes with the application. You can also change the settings of the SmartMike Plus within the app. You have control of the phone mic and external mic. You can control your gain, your monitor. You can also change the noise reduction from no noise reduction to economy, medium, or high. And you can also toggle between the music level, whether you want it loud, medium, or low if you're recording music at the same time as you're recording. And you also have some built-in filters, as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and change my filters just to show you guys what it looks like, just to give you an idea. You can also change the beauty smoothness, and you can also change your phone's camera settings, yes, from within the app of the SmartMike Plus. This comes very handy. You can change the front camera mirroring. You can toggle that on or off. There's the resolution, there's the video bitrate, video frame rate, the grids, you can turn grids on or off, and also there's the image scale, and there's also device management. Might as well go into that. And here is where it says firmware version. I just updated to the latest version, which is 0.4.37. Updates are free directly from the server. This feature comes very handy. And then going back into features, then there is frequently asked questions, help and feedback in the about section. So let's go ahead and get back to the video. But I personally think this app is very cool and comes very handy because you have complete control over your SmartMike Plus. And right now, let me go ahead and show you some outdoor video footage. Alright guys, so right now I'm recording video and audio using my Samsung Galaxy A70 smartphone. So we're out on a sort of a cloudy day. As you can see, I am currently outside, just outside, and you can hear some birds chirping around. It's a little bit windy out here. I'd say about 4 to 5 miles per hour winds. And let's see what this sounds like. As you can see, a main road right here, and there should be a decent amount of traffic, which it gets a little bit louder out here. So let's see what this sounds like. Alright guys, so right now you are listening to the SmartMike Plus audio from SabineTek, and I actually have the noise reduction feature set to the highest mode. I have it set on high, and let's see what this sounds like, as there's plenty of birds that are chirping around me. It's a bit breezy outside. It's about 4 to 5 miles per hour winds. It's kind of cloudy outside. Business as usual. Summer is right around the corner, so hey, that's a big high five on that one, right? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below to see how well this noise reduction, when it's set on high, how well this feature works. All right, thanks. So this is it, folks. The SmartMike Plus from SabineTek. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below, and if you are interested, then I will leave a link in the description below for you. And as usual, if you are new around here, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay up to date. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care.